Hello and welcome to the Blended Moodle Academy. This is Ann Thorpe and I'm going to give you a bit of a course tour so that you can learn about the setup of the course and a few other things that are going to be very significant and pertinent for you to know. So here is the Blended Moodle Academy link. The first thing I like to do when I get into a new course is just do a quick scroll down, see what's coming up, and then you'll notice several things are not available yet. And you'll see that the course is pretty much linear. The very first thing I like to do after I've done that is to come right over here to my blocks. And I like for my blocks to be over here in the dock so that when I hover over them, information pops up. This does a couple things for my learning brain. One, it opens up the course real estate. See how much more space I have now? And then it also gets this out of the way so that I don't have so much visual clutter going on within the course. Now I do want to point out these blocks over here are really significant to your own course and your own progress in the course and your course management. So when you hover over your navigation block, you'll see that you have Site Home and lots of other things. You'll see they all have these drop downs that you can explore on your own. And I want you to explore, experiment, try things out. You can't break it. You really can't. So you can view your own profile, all sorts of things in there. So that's for your exploration. Then this one over here is where you'll edit your profile. That's a separate video that we'll cover. And the grades here is also a separate video that we'll cover, but that's where you'll find those things. The recent activity is really important as both as an instructor for you later on and as a learner in the course. One of the things you want to know about the recent activity is that anytime you hover over it or anytime you log back into the course, you can check and see what's been going on since your last login. So there might be some additions to forums that have been posted. Maybe I, as your instructor, has posted something. But it's a great place to stop in and just see what's been happening since your last login. As a course instructor, once you get going in your own course, that's the first thing to do when you log in is check and see what's been going on while you've been gone. Because if it says nothing new since your last login, then woohoo, you don't have anything to grade or assess or forums to read. But otherwise, you can just get an at-a-glance type of thing, a glimpse of what's been going on in the course since you were last there. I find it extremely valuable. So let's move on and take a look at the course structure. One of the first things I want you to notice is that most everything is blocked out, grayed out. And the reason for that is because this is a scaffolded course so that you will do things in order. So once you've done something, so for example, you click on the course tour, which I'm making right now. So right now this is blank, but when you get to it, it will be full. And then after you've viewed it, click in the box right there. And the next element will open. This course handbook is going to be extremely important to you as you move through the course in gaining knowledge about different things going on in the course. This is going to be your go-to place for any information about the course. Now, these are breadcrumbs, and I'm going to click the home button to take me back home. And now I'm going to check my course handbook because I've finished that. Then you'll want to click on the Meet Ann Thorpe video. This says I need a plug-in. Right now it gives me these options. Always run it on this site or run it this time. So I'll just click always. But this is for my computer only. So if you get that option, make sure you click it. Now I'm not going to play this whole video right now because that's something that you can do. But you do want to watch it because there will be some quiz questions about that when you get to the quiz. This learning self, this little element right here, this icon means you have an assignment to do. So you're going to complete this assignment and then put your check mark in there and the next thing opens. Notice how it just goes right on down. Now, you'll notice that I have a little blue marked line here that tells me that I have an unread post. This setting is set in the profile, so when you get to your profile you'll set it, and then you will also get these notifications when you log in as to how many posts have come in since your last login. I'm not going to keep on going through all that to show you each of these, but that's how that works. It's really pretty cool. Okay, the course communication section right here. This is where I will be posting to you every Monday. It's called Monday Musings, and I will be just sending out a course update, a little bit of information, whatever it might be, but that's where those will come from. This course question section, extremely important for you to use. If you have questions regarding the course, any of the content, any processes, anything like that, those go here. They don't go to my email. The only reason you should use my email is if something personal comes up and you're not comfortable posting it in the course, then send that to my email. But anything related to the course goes right in here into the course questions area, because if you have a question about the course, I'm pretty sure someone else will too. So anybody can then answer it. This is a collaborative learning community, so you can support each other and help each other out. Social networking, just a place to post some social stuff, have a good time. Summertime activities, maybe some summertime reading or recipes, whatever you want that you find social, post it on in here. We'll call this our Moodle Facebook for the course. This last piece right here that I'm going to cover in this video is called Notes to Self. Now what this is it's a wiki here right within Moodle, and I post these in here so that you can put your notes from the course, or you can make your grocery list. It's up to you as to how you use this space. But the nice thing about this is, number one, it's private. Nobody else gets to see it. And the other thing that's nice about it is that it is accessible from any computer that you're using, your iPad or your iPhone or any other smartphone or tablet. And the reason that I do this is so that if you decide to work while you're on vacation or at the beach, or I don't know, getting your car fixed, whatever, you still have access to all your notes. So to do that, what you'll need to do is come right on down here and click Create Page. Here's your page. It's on the edit right here. Go ahead and type in your changes. I want you to notice that you can also put in images, emoticons, Moodle media, which would be videos, that sort of thing, audio, and you've got all of these also. I'm not going to go through all of those, but those are all there for your page. Okay, and then just come right on down. If you want to tag it, you certainly can. I don't have any tags in mine. And then just click Save, and what that does now is, you see when I come in and I'm on View, there are my notes right there. When you're ready to edit some more, go ahead and click on Edit, and then you can add some more. Just a neat little way to keep your notes in the same place that you are learning. Okay, and then that takes us then right on down into the blended learning elements, and after you finish, click your checkbox. Then the next thing will open. When you finish that one, click your checkbox, and so on. All right, well, that's just a quick overview of the course, just a quick course tour. If you have any questions, please be sure to post them right here in the course questions, and they will be responded to very, very quickly.